So I picked up the Mustang about 2 weeks ago. The first thing I wanted to do was stick an exhaust on it. The standard exhaust sounds good, but you know, it needs a bit more. So the first thing I was looking for was like, do I go H-pipe, X-pipe? All the videos I saw online, they were all talking about like cab back systems. So that was including the modified exhaust, rear back boxes as well. Couldn't find anything for the stock exhausts. So like just only putting in the H-pipe or X-pipe. I decided I'm going to go for the H-pipe because you've got that better muscle car sort of sound to it rather than that sporty racy sound that the X-pipe delivers, even though you will get a bit more power with the X-pipe. So I thought I'd make a comparison video for you guys that are looking to do the same as me, only changing the H-pipe. First off, let's listen to that cold start. So I'm on my way to get this H-pipe fitted now. I'm going to chuck out some clips of the before I've had the H-pipe fitted, and then we'll do some clips of after with the H-pipe fitted. I don't know whether you can really hear much of what the car sounds like now. Let me just tuck it in the cabin. It's a little cold at the moment, so I'm keeping the revs low. Do still hear a bit of it in the cabin. It's not too loud, you don't get much drone. From what I've heard with the modified exhaust as well, you still won't get an awful lot of drone either. So we'll see what happens once you get the H-pipe on. And I'll see you back when the engine's warmed up after these clips. Alright, so the engine's warmed up now. I'm on a nice stretch of National Speed Limit road. So let's open her up. So that was all the way from like 3,000 to 5,000 revs. Before I had to slow down for the car in front. At the end of the video I'll put some GoPro footage side by side so you can hear the difference right next to each other then. Let's go get this exhaust fitted. I've just left the shop now. The exhaust is on, the H-pipe is on, and I tell you what, it's just right. It's not too loud, just about. And it's got that real muscle car sort of sound to it. So I'll set the camera up, I'll get the GoPro going, and we'll get some more shots. I've actually had the exhaust in the car for a few months now. It's taken me a while to get this video finished. My long-term conclusion now is that it's not quite loud enough for me. It probably is loud enough for my neighbours though, to be fair, especially with the cold start. Eventually I'm going to have to go for some long tube headers for the sort of power gains and stuff I'm going to be planning in the future. I'm probably going to look at the X-Force valved exhaust as my more long-term sort of future goal. I'm hoping with the valves in the quiet mode with the long tube headers isn't going to make it too loud, but I guess there's only one way to find out. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, where I'm going to be documenting some more of the stuff I do with the car, some how-to videos and things like that as well. So make sure you hit that bell notification. Why not check out one of these videos here, and I'll see you in the next one.